This should be a great upgrade to my front seat door storage boxes. Let's see what comes inside. There's some information from the owner. I've been pleased with BASENOR brand, very nice. Here's the user manual. I can't imagine this being too difficult. Should just slide right in, but there is an installation video. Shows you exactly where it goes in these two door boxes right there, and customer service, all that stuff. That's helpful. Appreciate that. All right, let's look at the actual unit. First impressions as we unbox it. Packaged well. Imagine spilling something in there. Imagine being able to just pull these things out whenever they're just full of the junk and the dust and the dirt that collects there over time. You can just dump it and put it back in, clean it with a rag or just hose it down. Very nice. Feels nice. It bends, flexible. Let's go throw it on and just make sure it fits. This is my Tesla Model Y 2021. What I like about this rubber here, first of all, is it's got a little bit of a bend to it. It's soft. I think it's going to fit right in there nicely. If you look in that well, there is no divider at all. So this is going to actually give you a little bit of a divider, hold a water bottle, that sort of thing. I just need to know, is it going to fit? Is it going to be snug? And I'm just going to slide it in for you to watch. It's very snug. Fits perfect, and then you can remove it anytime so it's not stuck in there too hard. So yeah, that's really good. I like that. I'm gonna grab this other one, throw it in there as well. This was sent to me for an honest review. I reached out to them because I like their products and I do reviews like this. They sent this to me for free. This is my honest review. I would highly recommend it.